Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, or don't, it's a dirt bike, because Suzuki just dropped a 2025 DR-Z400E so wild, it makes your gym instructor look lazy. This thing doesn't ride trails, it chews them up and asks for dessert. Yo bikers! Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the only channel where we get muddy, talk loud, and celebrate every motorcycle launch like it's a national holiday. And today, we're tearing into something legendary with a fresh 2025 twist. The Suzuki DR-Z400E is back, and it's dirtier than your browser history. So grab your helmet, maybe a snack, and get ready to laugh, drool, and maybe Google nearest dirt trail near me about halfway through this video. Let's ride! The return of the king of the trails. Okay, chat, let's be honest, some bikes whisper into the market like, hey, I'm here. The 2025 DR-Z400E. It kicked down the door, slapped the trail map on the table, and screamed, let's go. This isn't just a relaunch, it's a rebirth. Suzuki took one of the most loved enduro beasts and gave it the glow-up it deserved. It's like your rugged cousin who disappeared for a few years and came back with a six-pack, better manners, and still knows how to throw a punch. Design, built like a tank, feels like a feather. First off, looks-wise. This thing screams, I climb mountains for fun. It's lean, mean, and looks like it's always 5 minutes away from jumping over something dangerous. The 2025 DR-Z400E has kept that iconic rugged shell but with updated plastics, sharper graphics, and a seat that no longer feels like sitting on a wet log. Yes folks, Suzuki finally listened. You can now ride longer than 20 minutes without questioning your life choices. Also, shout out to the designers for keeping that dirt bike silhouette 100% real. No fake flexing. No chrome drama. Just mud, muscles, and mayhem. Question to you, chat, if this bike were a person, would you trust it with your sister or your credit card? Exactly. Neither. And that's the energy we want. The engine, thumper of the gods. Alright, let's get to the meat. The 398 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine is back, and yes, it still thumps like your neighbor's bad techno at 2 a.m. But now, it's smoother, meaner, and slightly more eco-friendly. So you can destroy trails and save the planet. Balance, baby. It's carbureted, because Suzuki knows purists want to tinker, not tap an app. But they've optimized fuel flow, ignition mapping, and it now kicks like a mule with a PhD in physics. You want torque? You got torque. This thing can climb hills so steep, your fitness tracker will ask, are you serious right now? And hey, real talk. How many of you still enjoy kicking it over, old school style? Because yes, kickstart is still there, with electric start as backup. Suzuki said, why not both, and we love them for it. Suspension and handling, born to bounce, in a good way. Now let's talk suspension. Imagine if your mattress had the soul of a kangaroo. That's what riding the DR-Z400E feels like. It soaks up rocks, roots, and regrets with ease. Fully adjustable front and rear suspension lets you fine-tune it like you're prepping for motocross, or just trying to impress your riding buddies with your compression talk. The 2025 version handles like a dream on trails, off trails, and probably through your neighbor's backyard. Don't actually try that. You feel planted and confident, like the bike is reading your thoughts, unless your thoughts are, I can totally clear that jump. Then, well, good luck. Tech features, not too fancy, just right. Okay, if you're looking for touchscreen dashboards, Bluetooth, and smart mirrors, look away. This ain't that kind of party. The DR-Z400E keeps it simple and savage. Analog dash, minimal electronics, and exactly zero features that could distract you from riding like a maniac with a smile. What is new though? Better LED lighting, tougher wiring harnesses, and improved weatherproofing. Because dirt bikers don't care about rain, we welcome it with open throttles. And in case you're wondering, yes, it's still fully trail legal in most places. Just don't ride it into Starbucks and ask for a latte. Weight and frame, light enough to throw, strong enough to catch you. Suzuki managed to keep the weight right where we like it, under 320 pounds wet. It's like having a gym bro who's jacked and does yoga. Aluminum subframe keeps things light, and the steel backbone frame gives you that solid, I can take a beating, vibe. Whether you're a weekend warrior or full-send fanatic, this bike can keep up. How many of you have dropped your dirt bike and stared at it like, I don't want to lift it? Yeah, not this one. You'll be up and riding before your friends finish laughing. So who is it for? Everyone who hates pavement. If you're a beginner, the DR-Z400E is forgiving, friendly, and fun. If you're an expert, it'll challenge you, thrill you, and occasionally yeet you into a bush, lovingly. If you're an old-school rider who thinks ABS is for cowards, Suzuki hears you. This is for the purists who want a bike that's just a bike, not a second smartphone. And if you just want to look cool parked next to a trail, it'll do that too, you poser. No judgment. Price and availability, the only time we cry. Now the part that stings, the price. Suzuki hasn't confirmed the global tag yet, but rumors suggest it'll sit comfortably around $7,000 to $8,000. Not exactly pocket change, but for what you're getting, totally worth skipping that new iPhone. Or, groceries. It's launching in select countries first, with global rollout expected by summer. So prep your bank account. Or bribe your local dealer with cookies. Final verdict, buy it or regret it forever. If you've ever dreamed of a dirt bike that does everything right without trying to be flashy or futuristic, the 2025 Suzuki DR-Z400E is your ride. It's tough, it's nimble, it's loud. And it'll make you feel like a superhero who swapped a cape for motocross boots. Chat, what do you think? Would you take the DR-Z400E on a desert adventure? Use it to escape a zombie apocalypse? Ride it to your ex's wedding and steal the spotlight? Drop your wildest ride fantasy in the comments. I want to hear everything. Bonus points if it includes a bear, a campfire, and a really sketchy hill climb. Until next time, riders. Smash that like button like it's a tree you almost hit, subscribe for more muddy madness and off-road obsessions, and share this video with that friend who always says, I'll get a dirt bike next year. You know who you are, Dave. This is Biker's Choice, where we don't just review bikes, we roast, ride, and worship them. See you on the trails. Or in the ER. Hopefully the trails. Peace, love, and engine oil.